Hi, it's VIPKID teacher John. I don't know about you, but Feedback Panda saves me so much time, so much headache teaching VIPKID. Today I want to show you how you can use Feedback Panda to help you even more as a VIPKID teacher. That's using signatures. You can use a unique signature after every single feedback that you leave. I think it's going to help you leave a good impression with parents and also generate more positive feedback in the VIPKID classroom. Take a look. Okay, so the first step is log in. I'm glad I could be so helpful. Now, right here you're going to see the settings drop-down menu, and you won't have to go far to get to my signature. When you choose that, you can see I've already put a signature in, and this bracket name end bracket will be replaced with the student's names. You see what I typed here? I have used Google Translate to take what I want to say in English, put it into Chinese, and then I have retranslated that to make sure I have a very translatable message for parents. Of course, then I have my signature here, and I think this is very important here at the end. If my parent's child had a positive experience in the classroom, I want parents to take the time and leave me 5 apples, because ultimately, guys, that's going to help me get more bookings, and that's what I'm after here with this custom signature for my parents. So now make sure you hit save. All right, now you can see, let's pretend I'm editing a feedback. Now this was an assessment earlier, so I usually write those messages a little differently, but I would just go here on the end of my feedback and I would hit add signature. And you can see now, it puts it right in here for me. I'm good to go. I can copy it with the rest of my message and put it right into VIPKID. So I hope this mini tutorial has been helpful for you. You can look in the description of the video to see my feedback if you want to copy that and use it. Hit the subscribe button. Not only will that help you see new videos that are coming out, but it's going to help me out. That's what I'm after here. I'm after your subscription. So click that button, and I hope everything's going well in the classroom. Happy teaching.